Tired of dragging text boxes and images around every slide, hoping things will line up? You know the drill. You paste in some content and suddenly nothing fits right. Well, here's the good news. You can change layouts in seconds and keep your presentation clean without all that manual work. Let me show you how. First, I'll walk you to exactly where the layout tool lives. Then I'll show you how to apply a new layout and adjust your content so it looks like it was meant to be there. So let's start with the basics. Open up your presentation in Google Slides. You probably already have one going, so just pull it up on your screen. Now, find the slide you want to change. Click on it in the sidebar on the left. Just one click to select it. That's all you need. Here's where the magic happens. Look up at the toolbar, that row of buttons across the top of your screen. You'll see a button that simply says Layout. Click it. When you do, a drop-down menu appears with all the different slide designs available for your theme. It's that easy. One click, and you're already halfway there. Now, there's another way to get to this same spot, and I want to show you this too. Up in the top menu bar, click on Slide. A drop-down menu opens up. About halfway down, you'll see Apply Layout. Click that, and you'll get the exact same list of layouts. So if you ever can't find the Layout button on the toolbar, maybe it's hiding or you've got a smaller screen, just use the Slide menu instead. Both roads lead to the same place. Both roads lead to the same place. All right, so now you've got that list of layouts open. Go ahead and click the one you want. Maybe it's a title and body layout, or maybe a blank slide, or one with a big image placeholder on the side. Whatever you pick, just click it once. Your slide will instantly update, and I mean instantly. You'll see the placeholders shift around, the text boxes resize, and everything snaps into the new layout. It's a lot faster than moving things by hand, right? Now, here's the really important part. When you change a layout, your existing content doesn't just disappear, but it might need a little love to fit into the new setup. So take a moment to look things over. If a text box is sitting outside the new placeholder, just click and drag it back where it belongs. If an image is overlapping something, resize it or nudge it into position. This is where you make it perfect for your specific content. In my experience, spending just 30 seconds adjusting things here saves you 10 minutes of fighting with alignment later. And that's really all there is to it. From struggling to drag every single element around to applying a professional layout in just a few clicks. Give it a try in your next presentation. I think you'll be surprised how much smoother your workflow feels.